In this video, we are going to walk through launching NetProfiler software. We're going to do that using our NetProfiler Online software, which is launched from your My X-Rite account. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my X-Rite account. And to access NetProfiler, I simply click on the drop down here next to the word My X-Rite. I've got some options of things, and one of those is NetProfiler. So I will go ahead and click on NetProfiler, which launches the NetProfiler Online solution. You'll see I'm on the main menu. And essentially, at this point, I can start creating profiles. So I'm going to click on Create New, which prompts the software to try and communicate with the instrument. And you'll notice that I'm not able to do that because this is the first time I'm using NetProfiler on this particular computer. And the computer needs to have a small application installed called the X-Rite Device Bridge. The Device Bridge is what allows the software in the cloud to talk to the instrument. Okay, so down at the bottom here it says how to install X-Rite Device Bridge. If you don't have it installed, click there to download it. I can go ahead and download that. Okay, and it's going to very quickly download. It's not a terribly large file. Okay, so we wait about 30 seconds or so. The file is downloaded, and then I will be able to click on that and go ahead and install that device bridge. A note about the device bridge. Once you have it installed, it runs in your system tray, so it's there on your computer, and it also manages updates. So if there's an update to the device bridge to fix bugs, add new things, right, change the software, that will happen for you automatically. So yes, I want to go ahead and install that software. It's going to do that. Typical install setup, so I'm going to select the language, English in my case. Okay. We'll do next and accept the agreement. Pretty standard install things. And I can choose which instruments to install it for. I can limit it to just the devices I use. I'm going to install all of them in this case. And I don't need to create a desktop shortcut because it runs in my system tray. So I'm going to install it. And now we wait for the install to complete. Okay, so I have successfully installed the device bridge. You can see here's the final screen that it lands on. I'm going to hit finish to exit the setup, and I'm going to go ahead and launch the device bridge. Just a note, you may, depending upon your access rights to your computer, you may need your IT department to help you get the device bridge installed. So now that I have the device bridge connected, right, the NetProfiler software can see that I have a particular instrument connected, right? It sees its model and its serial number and so forth. So that is how we set up NetProfiler to be used on this computer. We've got the device bridge installed and we are ready to go and start profiling. We have additional videos to walk you through the profiling process of various instruments.